I'm just enjoying a little more time out on the bike today. Just picked up the bike from Resurrection Cycles and got the 25,000 mile service on it. I took a little detour home, taking the long way home. Really sat here on the bike on the way here and thinking, what kind of topic can I talk about? Like do an actual vlog instead of a travel vlog that I do from our trips. I haven't done an actual vlog in a while. What are everybody's plans for Memorial Day? Cookouts, lakes, boating, fishing, hiking. We might cook out a little. It's kind of sad to cook out because we don't have Bill's brother anymore with us, and it was he always enjoyed it. But Memorial Days for veterans who have died for service in our country, but I like to remember all of our lost loved ones. My mom, I dreamed about my grandma the other night. I occasionally dream of my mom's mother. I called her Mama Thompson. And it's always about the same thing. It's like the dream is gravel. And she's at her house where she lived. And she never died. She's been alive all this time. Or she comes back to life. Or, it's always the same kind of dream with her. And then I dream of my mom, but it's about everything. I mean, she's just there, like, always. Just in any kind of situation. Do you ever dream of lost loved ones? Does anyone out there ever have regular dreams about loved ones who have passed on? Do you celebrate them on Memorial Day, or is Memorial Day for veterans and for those who have died in the service of our country, which we should honor, most definitely. People honor not just servicemen and women, but our loved ones. So how do you celebrate Memorial Day? But I'm sure a lot of people will be out on their boats and having an enjoyable time. Maybe even in the rain on Monday. It's supposed to rain again next week. So I wanted to put up my swimming pool this weekend, but I don't know. I don't think this weekend's the weekend to do it. It'll have to be next weekend maybe. I think it's supposed to get back up in the 80s and humid again. So anyway, that's my vlog for today. I'm going to try to get back into the practice of doing motovlogging. Just need to be creative on what topics to bring up. I appreciate everybody watching. I sincerely appreciate your support. You guys are wonderful, and thank you. Take care. Hmm.